Lucky Bag 2020. Hello guys. Got another package from Beautylish. This is the Beautylish 2020 Lucky Bag. I got one last year. If you guys haven't seen that, check it out. It was a little disappointing. Some other people got really good things, but it didn't sway me. Oh, I just got a text that it got delivered. But it didn't sway me from not getting it this year. So my mom is over here, so you'll hear her being like, oh, she's like, open it up right now. And I was like, oh yes, I will. Let's see, let's see. Oh, let's see the wrapping paper this year is so pretty. So it's got all these cranes on it. It looks like from the paper last year, I put it in a frame. So I'll probably do it with this one because it's like so thick and super nice. So here we go, Lucky Bag 2020. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspires us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprise inside your, inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. That's super pretty, I like that a lot. Here we go, ooh, I got the smaller one. Hurry, hurry, I'm trying. Oh my god, I hope. Oh, I got something Jeffree Star! Oh my gosh, I got a Jeffree Star palette! I saw it! Okay. Oh my god! So this is completely random. You don't know what you're getting. The first thing, oh, and I got something Natasha Denona too. Oh, I got the Little Twin Stars by Sugar Pill Liquid Lip Color Duo. So it's like a blue and a pink one. So if you guys know what Little Twin Stars look like, there it is there. This one like a green color. Oh my gosh, it's so cute though. I've got a Good Molecules. They did this last year. Silicone-free priming moisturizer. I think I've heard of this and that it's pretty good. So I'll have to give this a try as well. Let's see what this looks like. Here we go. Okay, hang on. And Natasha Denona. Oh, it's the Camel palette. This one's really, really popular. So already the value of this has gone up. This one's really, really popular. So here's the Camel palette. You remember this? You got me it last year.
That?
The Lucky Bag.
Oh, is this your purchase?
Yes. So this is the one for this year. I got
Those are my colors.
Vitamin C massage activated mask.
Were you the first 10?
By Pharmacy. Yeah, I wasn't able to get the big one. I ran out again.
Oh, it's a scam.
No, it's not a scam. What is this? Just like a brush set or something? A brush set!
Ooh.
I don't know what brand this is though. Got a, Artiste Blush by Surat Cosmetics. Or a blush or something? Look how small it is. And then it just slides like that. Oh yeah, it's a blush. Look how small it is. I think Surat is really expensive. Oh no, I didn't get an eyeshadow palette. I got the 5-year anniversary Jeffree Star liquid lipstick set. Dang, I wish it was a palette. That would have been so cool. But that's pretty cool. Got a red, green, and these white colors. Interesting!
White lips.
Well, no, his are eye safe, so you can use them for like eyeliner and stuff too.
Oh, it's a multi-purpose, multitasking.
But yeah, I think this one's actually blue.
Let's see.
I wonder what other people got. I'm very curious to see. But this palette is promising for sure. Dang, I thought this would have been a Jeffree Star palette. That would have been so cool. Oh wow. Thanks guys for watching. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Pardon my hair. It's in a bun. We got the cute headband going on. And today I'm going to be playing with everything that I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, my raw reaction. I'm so excited to go through everything and test it out on my face. Most of these things here I'm not too sure about, but we'll dive in. The first thing I'm going to use is this silicone-free priming moisturizer from Good Molecules. I believe this brand came out last year with the Lucky Bag, so I'm going to try this out. It feels very smooth on the skin, for sure. I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeshadow primer on and my base and everything, and ta-da! Concealer, powder, all that good stuff. Next thing I have is this unit brush set. So it comes with all eye brushes. I went ahead and took them all out, and they are super, super soft. So I'm excited to test these out. I was a little confused what this brush set was. The brand is called Unit, because they each say Unit like 205, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And I was like, I don't understand what brand this is, but the brand is Unit. And then for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Camel palette, which is one of her more popular palettes, I believe. Here's what the palette looks like. Super, super pretty, neutral, super easy to play with for sure. I'm gonna go in with the Unit 205 brush, which looks like a nice fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take the as I just dug my finger into the eyeshadow. Ugh. I'm gonna be taking the color Safari, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Then taking the 203 brush, I'm gonna go in with the color Zand. It's sand with a Z, and I'm gonna go above the Safari shade just to kind of blend that out. Hopefully this is a little bit lighter. Next, I'm going to cut the crease with my P. Louise base. And then taking the Unit 202 brush, I'm going to go in with the color Dune on the inner third. And then using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the color Copperstone and do that on the outer third. And then taking the 201 in the color Arasoto, I'm going to go in like the crease here. So the blending is a little rough. Now I'm tempted to do like a graphic liner with the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks that I got. So I got these, and then I got the Twin Star ones, which I don't think I'm going to keep. Honestly, I'm not going to wear either one of those colors, but the Jeffree Star ones I definitely can play with because I know his are eye safe. Ooh, I didn't realize this red is like sparkly. Can you see that has just a little bit of sparkle to it? Maybe I'll save those for another time to play around with. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll go in with the blush that I got from SIREN. This tiny little thing is $35. I wish they included something else besides something this small. Like, what in the world am I gonna do with this? It's so tiny. Like, it's so tiny. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and everything, and then I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back, and I have the rest of my makeup on right now. I have the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick from the set in the color Androgyny, which is this really pretty dark pink color. And like I said, I'm going to dive into the blush. This is the SIREN blush in the color Chaleur. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but it's this tiny little blush, and the cover just slips right off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on with a Sigma small contour brush. You can use whatever brush you want to. It's like a very tan color. It looks quite nice. I've been using my ColourPop Horse and Carriage Disney Collection highlighter as my highlight lately. I use the Morphe R31 for my highlight always. This is my favorite highlight brush. I mean, that's like barely any. And I always make sure to blend it with the brush, like so. and I set my face with the GERARD's Cosmetics setting spray. I have my NYX Born to Glow foundation on, and I actually put on the Farsali liquid powder, I guess like oil balancing serum for this foundation, since this foundation is a little bit more glowy, and I'm not too happy with how it's looking on my skin. I don't know if you can see, but like it's been emphasizing the lines up there. I just have this on my face, so that is with the priming moisturizer on and the Farsali drops. I wanted to use it with a more glowy foundation to see how well it would balance, but I will come back and do a check-in. Hopefully, if I don't have a bad night, I'm going to like a young adults night. I've been going to that every Wednesday, and that's been really, really fun. Trying to get myself back out there and trying to be social, because being social for me is really hard. My social anxiety is horrible, like horrible. So yeah, I just curled my hair. It's like second, third day hair. I'm trying to feel glamorous. But yeah, so that is everything. Oh, I have the 3D faux mink lashes from Makeup Geek in the style Isabella on today. They're so fluffy and beautiful. I've been loving the Makeup Geek eyelashes, not even joking. I have a 10% off code. Just use the code Shweihninzy and you can get 10% off. It is an affiliate link, but you can get 10% off if you want to. I mean, who doesn't want to save some money? Anyway, so this is the completed look. Like I said, I'll be back later to show you guys if the balancing oil helped out at all with the foundation. Hello, and wow, my foundation looks amazing, besides the fact that I messed it up on my nose. My fault, not the foundation's fault, but it's not oily around my nose at all, where it normally gets oily. I am shocked, and like I'm here and like my chin and stuff. I am pleasantly surprised. Like my skin, I feel, just looks really good. Everything just kind of like settled into my skin. The setting spray definitely helped with it not looking so dry and cakey and stuff like that, but I definitely like this stuff. I'm not sure if it's like the priming moisturizer. I only put the Farsali drops like around my nose, so I definitely know it's that, but I have the priming moisturizer on all over my face, and I can definitely tell that my foundation looks way better than it normally does. Wow. Wow. Wow.